I guess, how do you, I'm always curious, just curiosity, how you identify potential partners, investments, acquisitions. How do you identify that? I'm not asking for the trade secrets, but just curious if someone's listening in saying, "Hey, JB, this sounds interesting. Maybe you'd be interested in what we're doing."
Sure. So yeah, I mean, there's some disciplines around the types of franchisors that we like. Again, it varies from whether it's food or non-food. But if we're to stay on the food side, which is probably 75% of our business, we like to see high off-premise business for one. We like to see 85 to 90% off-premise, especially in the current environment. So we like to see brands that have a strategy to stay around and stay open during things like COVID. So you've got a lot of delivery business, catering, takeout, that type of thing. We love it. The ability to order on an app and then it shows up at your place at DoorDash. Love that all day long. Very defensible in these types of markets. And then, of course, things that have a price point where, you can feed a family, if you, have to make it kind of stretch a bit in these times, and we get that. So there are a lot of different brands that have those qualities that we're very interested in, and we kind of stay focused in that area.